Should we just go to 2 and then 3 and then same thing as last time?
Yeah. So the TownePlace suites.
I'm surprised you saw this and bothered walking in.
I was like, you know what? I walked over.
Oh yeah, we gotta do the old ringy ring. There it is.
Doo-doo.
Should we take it to 2?
Sure.
We're gonna go back to
Excuse
3 or
me.
just exit it 2?
Just exit it 2. It's a 330. Excuse me? I'm
Yeah.
gonna come on this side here.
I don't know if I got that picture or not. Doesn't really matter, it's a 330A, right? I'm just surprised you walked in. I was like, wait a second, you can see it from here.
I mean, it's in St. George, so I want to have more videos from each city on this trip. It's kind of a deep door frame here.
It is.
And